Hi, this is Andrew with Avitech, and I'm here at InfoComm 2022 to show you the Sequoia 4K60, our new 4K60, 4 inputs, 5 outputs, KVM Multiviewer. And so on this 15-inch touchscreen, I can go in and control this source used through the Sequoia 4K60. I can switch between sources by typing the left or the right, and then I can go in and change to a multi-view with 2-finger touch to show all 4 sources. And then on this monitor, or this touchscreen, I can actually go in, control the size of the windows, make them smaller, and make them bigger. I can go in, control this computer, or control multiple computers at the same time. So this makes it really flexible and easy to control a bunch of different sources using one touchscreen and the Sequoia 4K60. This is Andrew with Avitech, and I'm here at InfoComm 2022. And if there's any questions, please go to our website, avitechvideo.com. Thanks.